everyone, myself Monica Thakre. In previous class, the concept and isomorphism of one group into another was defined and explained. We are interested in the special case of isomorphism, in which the isomorphism maps a given group onto itself, called automorphism. We also introduce conjecture relation and classes equation of finite group. Thereafter, we given some important applications of class equation of a finite group. Finally, we introduce the techniques of Abelian injections of a group and discuss its universal property. Firstly, we discuss definition of automorphism of a group. Let be a group and let the compositions in G being denoted multiplicatively, then a mapping F such that G to G is called an automorphism of G. If first condition F is 1 1, F is onto, and F is preserves group composition such that FAB equals to FA into FB. FA operation B equals FA operation FB. This diagram show one-to-one mapping, domain set and range set, two sets, domain set and range set. Elements of domain set A is M, R, M, H, A and T, and range set, elements of range set are 3, 6, 4, 2 and 9. What is 1-1 mapping? 1-1 mapping is in mathematics an injection function, also known as injection or one-to-one function, is a function that maps distinct element of its domain to distinct element of its codomain. In other words, every element of the function codomain is the image of at most one elements of its domain set. Next, we discuss about onto mapping. What is onto mapping? This diagram showing figure domain and range set, two sets. Domain set, elements of domain set are 1, 2, 3 and 4, and range elements of range sets are A, B, C and D. In mathematics, a function f from a set A to B is surjective if for every element B in the codomain in B of f, there is at least one element A in the domain set A of f such that f A equals to FB. It is not required that A be unique. The function f may maps one or more elements of A to the same elements of B. Third condition of automorphism is F preserves group composition. What is F preserves group of condition? This figure is shown. First, F such that A to B mapping, and second G such that B to C mapping. Two functions are F and G. Function F A to B, domain to range set mapping, and G such that B to C mapping. Then G of F is shown in figure. A to C mappings are image of 1 is 2 and 2 is 1, 3 is 2 and 4 is 3. Next topic is inner automorphism. Definition of inner automorphism is let G be a group and let G belongs to capital G be a fixed element of G. Then the mapping TG X equals to Gx G inverse is an automorphism of G and it is called inner automorphism corresponding to small g. रिमार्क्स के लिए टू कंडीशंस है. An automorphism which is not inner is called an outer automorphism. Inner automorphism is a special type of automorphism.